recited the Tillana in Madhuvanti Ragam and Adithalam. The Tillana will be preceded by a sloka, the Kasturi Tilaga. Thereafter, the Tillana will be followed by the couplet Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, and then the Mangalam Maniganta, and then a couplet from the sacred Narayaniyam of Lord Guruvayurappa, and now presenting the Tillana in Ragam Madhuvanti, preceded by the Kasturi Tilaga and the Sarve Bhavantu, the Mangalam Maniganta, and the sacred Narayaniyam. Thank you.
Kasturi tilakam lalayta bhalake vakshasthale kaustubham nasagre navamuktigam karatale Venum kare kankanam sarvange harichandanam chakalayan kanthe cha muktavali gopastri परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि सतती सत्य जंतनं ततो कृति सतती सत्य जंतनं ततो कृति नादृतनितो व्रतानि सतती प्रति 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 जंतनं ततो कृति नादृतनितो सतती प्रति जंतनं ततो कृति नादृतनितो व्रतानि 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 सतती प्रति जंतनं ततो कृति Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim tatim yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani எண்ணிதினம் ஏங்கினே இணையாட வந்த மன்னாமணிவண்ணா நினையே எண்ணிதினம் ஏங்கினே இணையாட வந்த மன்னாமணிவண்ணா மண் கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணா கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணா இனி உன்னை கனவிலும் கனவிலும் நான் திரியே எண்ணிதினம் ஏங்கினே இணையாட வந்த மன்னாமணிவண்ணா மனம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணா இனி உன்னை கனவிலும் நினைவிலும் நான் திரியே yam tanam tadom pratim Nadradani dom pritani Tatadim yam tanam tadom pratim yam tanam tadom pratim yam tanam tadom pratim sarve bhavantu sukhinaः sarve santu निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मङ्गलं मणिकण्ठाय वैकुंठ प्रिय सूनवे मधुरं मुक्तिबाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षं द्वितरुकिसलयो नाथते पादमूलम् नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णा गुरुपवनपुरपते कृष्णा कारुण्यसिन्धो दृष्ट्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रतिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोह लक्ष्मी प्रतिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोह लक्ष्मी
Krishna Kurup, C.R. Rajesh, Sampanyasri Rangarajan TCA, I. Ramani Radhakrishnan, Deepali Champurkar, Linisha Harishankar, Prakriti Upadhyaya, and Harshika Ravto. Krishna Kurup is an artist, an actor, happily married to Siddharth Verma. C.R. Rajesh is my niece, daughter of Rajesh and Bhuvana. Sampanyasri Ranganajan, TCA, I think needs no introduction. She is the great granddaughter of the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Sri Ananthasayana Mayengar, and also the granddaughter of well-known person in Tamil Nadu, the Chief Income Tax Commissioner, Sri T.C. Ramanujam. She is the granddaughter of a great dancer, Shobana, who was a student of Dandayagavani Pillai School, and we have Lavanya Ramani Radhakrishnan, happily married to Sri Radhakrishnan this year. She is the mother of 2 children. She is a senior manager in the Times of India, and she is retiring this year. So don't ask me her age. Deepali Champurkar Ekbote is also happily married, was settled in Singapore, was a director of Essential Singapore. Now she has relocated to Pune travels between Pune and Mumbai, and she's happily married to Sri Ed Bothe. Rinesha Harishankar, daughter of Lakshmi Kumari and Harishankar, and granddaughter of well-known social service activist Dr. Thanamurthy and Mrs. Thanamurthy of Mumbai. Prakriti Upadhyaya, daughter of Srimati Megal and Nitin Upadhyaya, architects, well-known architects of Mumbai. She is called a princess in our class. That's a beautiful name for her because she's really a princess in her behavior. And finally we have Harshita Rathod. This is the first time she is appearing on the stage. That's on 24th was the first time, second time was at Nana here. And I am happy that all of we could come and be with all of you. Thank you, Kovai Care authorities, Colonel Sridharan, and all the others who made our program be today, because we were frightened of the weather, but I think the rain gods also favor the senior citizens, because I wouldn't call you senior because you all look so junior. So I'm so happy to come and perform for all of you. On behalf of Nityalaya, my students, their parents, some of whom have been here, and finally, of course, I should thank Sweta Rangarajan, who has been a great help for all of us. And I thank Sri Ayyappan for doing the makeup and all the hair styles. And I always also thank the light technicians and the audio. Thank you so much. And Madam and others who have helped us a lot today. I don't know their names, but each and every one here has been so cooperative and so very kind to us that we feel as if we belong to this place long ago. Thank you once again and good night. Thank you.
Kindly sit down and give them a big hand. The Guru, Srimati Vasantasena Srinivasan, I think, ma'am, you should be very proud of your Vidyalaya and the young talent that you have taught them, and they are exceptionally wonderful. And we are very happy to know that one young lady, Krisha Kurup, she has even acted in movies. Give her a big hand. Her first movie was in 2013. It was Karuman Kasappan. And then she has acted in Goliswara too and Kutali. Give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a senior artist, from dancer, from everything. And which ma'am did not say, but we did find out from our own secret agents. And before we break, I will request Mrs. Saroja Samu to kindly come on the stage and honor our Guru and the artist. That's okay, ma'am. Don't give a hand. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll announce the names and kindly come forward and be honored by Srimati Saroja Samu. First is Srimati Vasantasena Srinivasan, the Guru. Give a continuous hand, big hand, please. It is good for your blood circulation also. Thank you, ma'am. Next we have Krisha Kurup. Please give her a big hand. They've been honored for the first time by somebody from the silver screen. Excellent dancers. Sampanya Sri Rangarajan. The shawl do not match your dress. doesn't matter. Then we have Prakriti Upadhyay. Continue, please, clap hands. And then we have Sia Rajesh Iyer. Then we have 1 minute break for Mrs. Chandana Samu. And then we have there. And then next is Ninisha Harishankar. Then we have Deepali Chekurkar Ekbote. Then we have Arishka Rathod. She is, give her a big hand. This is the second day or third day she has down in bucket. And not to me, Srimati Shweta. Kindly come on the stage because she has been only behind the Please come and she is also well known to us indirectly.
Kovai Yasri residents, I thank the entire team of Nityalaya headed by Guru Srimati Vasanta Sena. An excellent performance and each item was a masterpiece in this area, and I really enjoyed this program for more than 1.5 hours by sitting continuously. In fact, she thanked us for arranging this program. In fact, we had fortunate enough to have just such a wonderful program here. So, let us all give a big hand to them. I also thank COVID Care Management, Colonel Sridhar and his team for giving us an opportunity to have such a wonderful program in our community. And as usual, the maintenance team headed by Bhuvaneshwari and have all done a very good job of arranging the audio and visual arrangements. I again, as usual, thank my friend Mr. Manian, who used to do the videography of all the events and publishing for the benefit of everything. Big thank to Mr. Manian also. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
And ladies and gentlemen, let us thank the two peacocks.